Caetano, and he is present over here. Today matter was fixed for the order at 3:30, and we got a copy around 4:30, and immediately at the site, these two bulldozers have come without giving any opportunity to approaching the higher authorities or the higher courts. And this action is not permissible in law because these structures is not constructed overnight. These structures were there for last 70 to 80 years. And being I am a Santinet resident, I have seen from my childhood this particular structure. And in fact, these notices and this matter was proceeding for last 7-8 months. And all of a sudden, this structure has been order has been passed demolishing the structure without giving any opportunity. Even a 24 hours show cause notice for vacating the structure has been not been given. If you see this site, now some of the materials has been removed from this particular structure. And this action is like as if we are also in UP. Even the Supreme Court says that even for the construction, any illegal occupied, 24 hours notice has to be given. But here the 24 hours notice is also not given. I do not understand what will happen to the common citizens who are staying over their houses with their all legal permission. And here we have also requested the government to rehabilitate us. We are not against opposing the smart city work. And today our clients are without any bread and butter for all the purposes. So now I don't understand what to do as a common citizen. I am also, apart from lawyer, I am also a common citizen. This thing can happen to anybody, to any citizen of the Goa. So this press should take this to the further level so that our voice is our voice is heard by the government, and our judge will get the rehabilitation opportunity by the government.
Okay. But कितें म्हणून सांगले कोर्टान कितें सांगले तुमकां
Court just we have got the order. We have even not gone with the
कितें orders आसली
order was that these structures are illegal. In fact, this structure we have placed all the documents right from the Portuguese time that this particular my client structure is a tavern and he was having the tavern. In between he has also, by taking a permission, he has changed the businesses and lakhs of rupees fees has been paid to the municipality or the competent authority, that is food and drugs and everybody. Even they have not, the deputy collector had overlooked these documents, and as the demolition order has been passed, even without giving any opportunity to us, even at this immediate, we are asking for the stay of the order to approach the higher authority. Even that stay has been rejected. So it is totally injustice, and it is not expected from the good government.
तुम्ही पुढे कितें करतले आता
Today we will approach the higher authorities as our client has desired. There is no other option except to approach the higher authorities and higher courts.
What about rehabilitation talks?
Rehabilitation talk, no decision has been taken. In fact, we had requested the deputy collector and also the competent minister to rehabilitate us and thereafter to demolish the structure. But all of a sudden this action has been taken. For what the good reason, I do not understand.
तुम्ही असले एक्सेप्ट असले तुमका स्मार्ट सिटीचे वर्क चालू असूनी बट आमका हे करचे म्हणून
Yes, there is a document which we have placed on record before the deputy collector. It also appears that they had a talk with the other officials whenever the smart city work meeting is to take place. They had talked about this structure, but they have not taken any decision on this subject, this construction, this structure. Actually, the government should have taken, as a good government, they should rehabilitate this particular two tenants, because they are doing the business for so many years. From Portuguese time they are doing. In fact, in kiosk matter in Panjim city, they have all been rehabilitated at a market new complex, also at Kadamba bus stand. Similar way, same principle should have applied to these two tenants. Why they have been kept at, one doesn't understand this.
Papers असले सर तुमच्याकडे
Yes, absolutely. We got the papers with us. All licenses are there. And we were the original tenants of Mr. Wallis. And from there on, even after the award, government did not take us. We were not aware also whether our structure was forming part of the PWD or the original landlord, Mr. Wallis. Wallis family. We had placed before the deputy collector. In fact, he had asked us whether anything has been taken place before the deputy. We said we don't know anything. We have not received anything. I can show the documents if it is there on.
What about deputy collector, sir? आजच्या ऑर्डर तुम्ही हे केलं
all of a sudden
टाइम कित्याक देऊ ना काही चाललं तुम्ही
immediate action. That nothing has been spelled out in the order.
उलोप चालले
Nothing else. We have asked for the state to approach the competent court.
हे नो अवॉर्ड कॉपी तुका हाडले ते मागल्या आम्ही ते मोठे दुखून आलो
No, no, presentation to the.
ओके सर, नो
See, we have got all these licenses. This is the plan which is there. We have placed everything on record.
ओके ओके सर, नो इश्यू सर. सर तुमचे नाव कितें म्हटलें?
Advocate Vallabh Pangam representing Mr.
Kaitano.
Kaitano.
And what about?
And this is the other tenant, that is respondent number 1, Mr. Thomas Montero.
ओके
Both just.
ओके सर, चल ये आपण फाटल्यान चालू आसा.
Thank you very much.
मशिनरी यूज करून डिमॉलिशन ट्रकाच्या वयर दवरून चालू आसा डिमॉलिशन. शेवाळे जो एक्सकवेटर दवरलेले आसा पळोवंक शकता. 24 तुम्ही बघू शकता आता जे एक्सकवेटर बुलडोजर ते आता वयर चडयलेले आसा. वेगळे तरेन वयल्यान मोडून आसा. ओनर्साचे म्हणणें आहा की परत एकदा टायम लिमिट पेन हे फुटले.